Hey, what's up guys? Jacob here. I didn't want to do a screencast for today. I just want to do a quick video as it's been super busy right now getting ready for my book series launch. What I wanted to talk about today real quickly is a question that came up in that the question was, why am I investing and spending so much effort into building an email list upfront before my book series is even out, instead of doing it the traditional way, where you would release a book series and run something like AMS, or then build an email list thereafter to continually promote the series? So that's a very good question, very valid. What I've learned, and I haven't proven this yet because I haven't actually released my series, but the whole rationale is that I'll be able to actually save thousands in ad costs by actually building up my email list up front. Reason being, I'm using Facebook to build up my subscriber list, my email list, etc. And right now, like my CPC is creeping up a little bit, but it was as low as 13 cents per click, and it's getting a little bit high at 19 cents per click, but I'm working on getting it lower again. The problem with AMS, as great as it is for our books overall, is that, and everyone knows this, if you're in a competitive niche, the cost per click can be expensive. I've had cost per clicks that average between 55 cents in another niche to 85 cents. To another one, the most competitive niche that I'm in right now, to get the number one spot is over $1.50 cost per click. And at that point, I just have to concede and take position number two because position number one's not going to be profitable for me. Whereas with Facebook, I can run a much more lean campaign, and you can say what have you about conversion rates because we're using Facebook instead of using the Amazon platform directly. But the whole rationale is that spend a lot. I'll spend a lot first up front before the books are even out. Like that is kind of the risk without knowing how well the books will do. Assuming it's quality and everything is super, 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 super high lux quality. Like this is going to be the best book series that I've ever put out, and I think what I'm investing into this book series is more than I everything I've invested into Kindle publishing up until now. Believe it or not, which sounds crazy to me because I've made a good amount of money from Kindle publishing, but right now I'm just throwing everything down on the line, and the whole rationale is that once the book series is out, I won't have to work as hard to promote it anymore because the email list is already there. It's already got a fan base straight from book one, and then I can like pull back a little bit, take it easy, and like maintain a good BSR while getting lots of organic traffic. Just because the book's going to be really popular, it's going to hit number one in a few genres, and it won't have to rely on even using AMS to sell well because AMS works, but for it to work in some keywords, it's really expensive. And so, for the scope that I'm competing at for this book series, any advantage I can use and every strategy I can employ to save thousands of dollars in the long run is going to like help me a lot for something like this. So I hope in time I will in time I'll show what I'm working on, and I'll at least tell what niche that I'm in, and once I do that, I think it'll be a clearer picture of why I'm doing things this way. But so far, guys, I've got over, let's see, 38,000 subscribers. Like some did unsubscribe once they joined my list, but the 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 group, the Facebook group for my book series is already over 600 members without anyone even receiving book number one. Like we just did what's called a cover reveal where we like show off the cover of the book. That hit off really well, and I'll probably have 1,000 fans on Facebook alone before book one is even ready. So shit's crazy, guys. Book one will be out in the. I'm hyping it up like I'm gonna sell it to you. I'm not even gonna tell you what it is, but book one will be out hopefully by the it should by the end of the month, and so from there I think we're gonna do like a rapid release of every book thereafter every 2 weeks if we can help it, and things will be popping and great. So that's just a quick video I wanted to do, guys. I'm super busy right now. I can't really do a screencast, so Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be sure to have the time to answer your comments, and I'll let you know more of what's going on later. So until then, guys, take care.